In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive shared folder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing files with friends and family, a shared folder on Google Drive is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process step by step. To start, open up your web browser and navigate to the official Google website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a small square icon made up of 9 dots in the upper right corner of your screen. This is the Google Apps icon. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu displaying various Google services. Scroll through and select Drive. This will open Google Drive in a new tab where you'll manage all your documents and files. With Google Drive open, locate the New button on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking this button will bring up a submenu with several options for creating or uploading files and folders. Here, you'll want to click on New Folder. This is where we'll set up the folder that you'll soon be sharing. Now, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new folder. Think of a clear and descriptive name that relates to what you're planning to store or share in this folder. Once you've entered the name, click on Create, and just like that, your new folder appears in your Drive. To access this folder, simply find and click on its name in your Google Drive. At this point, you can upload any files or subfolders you want to share, but let's move on and look at how to actually share this folder with others. Within your newly created folder, look for the option to Share folder. When you're ready to share, click on Share. You'll be prompted once again to confirm by clicking the Share button in a newly opened dialog box. Now it's time to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Make sure you input these correctly to avoid any access issues. In the same dialog box, you'll see options to determine their level of access. Consider what you need from each collaborator and choose between viewer, commenter, or editor. Each role offers a different level of interaction with the files you share. There's also a checkbox labeled Notify People. You might want to leave this checked as it sends an email notification to the recipients informing them that a folder has been shared with them. Finally, click Send to share your folder. And that's it, you now have a shared folder on Google Drive. You've not only created a centralized location for your files, but also made collaboration easy and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial brought value to your daily digital interactions. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.